So over recent years we've identified that our logistics was being challenged by the demand from our growers. We set about developing this project and building extra storage we have on site now to deliver the reliability we need for our growers during peak season.
So we started with 1,600 tonnes of storage and we've increased it to a little under 7,000 tonnes, which is about a 300% increase in our capacity.
With seasonal conditions changing constantly throughout the year, a significant rainfall event can increase demand overnight.
So scale-wise, we've actually nearly quadrupled our storage capacity. It's like having, let's say, 4 more of our tank farms all in bladders. It's been good. If we've got that ability to manufacture throughout the off-peak season and get the storage up, when the rainfall comes, we'll have that product on hand where we're not trying to keep up with manufacture and trying to feed the truck drivers as they're coming through.
This is a very significant project. Our aim is to be reliable and deliver supply for growers when they need it.